Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and wireless LAN module. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the touchscreen and wireless LAN antenna cables for later replacement. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Disconnect the speaker cable from its connector on the system board. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the G-sensor cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the retention tape and remove the G-sensor and wireless LAN antenna cables from the routing channel on the speaker. Remove the two 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the speakers to the top cover. Lift the speakers off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the speakers.